How to enable YouTube Shorts auto captions. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to enable your YouTube Shorts auto captions. Let's just get started. First thing first you need to do is go ahead and open up YouTube application on your device. Then make sure that you're logged in as well. You need to head over to any short that you want. So just click on any one of your shorts. Let me just quickly head over to the shorts section down below. Now to turn on your auto caption, all you have to do is tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then you'll find something called Captions. It's currently shown black. I don't know what that is, but you basically tap on this caption option. And then make sure that you select auto generated, just like so. And then you can start playing the video to get the caption. Just wait and you should get your video captions right here at the top. As you can see, it's getting all of the captions up top. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.